This is a centric location. So my question to everyone in charge that is neglecting this is like, what image are we giving to the tourists and the diasporans coming back when they see something like this? What is the image we're portraying people? That's what I want you guys to think and do something about it. Arman out. Okay guys, so I'm here at the memorial of the 50th year of the October Revolution, and I just wanted you guys to take a look at the status of the upkeep of this. Here, there, the stairs, the trash there all over. Here on the floor, this, stuff like this. This is a, trash. Things are grown here. This is like in this condition. And again, I mean, this is beautiful, right? People come here, they sit there to do the Ararat, for the Ararat photo. Very centric, very centric. On this other side, there's, you could see them there. There's very expensive private buildings there all around. And the situation, the maintenance situation of this place is embarrassing as an Armenian coming from outside. So we gotta do better. Look at this. This is, there should be flowers here or some sort of vegetation, but it's been completely abandoned, and there's no secret that people here are not very, they drop shit on the floor, but listen, this is not maintained. That's the bottom line. And this place is beautiful. And it's a shame. So that's my message to whoever is in charge. Do better. This is something that our whole nation and tourists enjoy. Amazing views, and this is the situation. I mean, if it was just one little thing, I would have been like, okay, this doesn't matter, whatever, they'll fix it over time. But this is almost close to being abandoned. Look at the trash here. The upkeep here is just completely being abandoned, I think. And look at the amazing views here. So hey, let's do better. Now that we have this information, let's do better. Let's make it happen, and we'll talk soon.